So full disclosure, I don't make waffles very often. Every once in a while I will try to make like a protein-based waffle, but I do like these for like keto snacks. I use a lot of like cheese and meats and things and onions and vegetables to make little keto snacks. And I used to just put those on parchment paper, put them in the oven, bake them, but this is way easier. A waffle maker does the same thing as baking it in the oven, only better, and it turns it into these nice, small, perfect size snacks for me. But this is when I want multiple. Like if I'm gonna make pizza bites, I just do cheese, a little bit of sauce, some of the pizza toppings, and then I put that all in here, close it. Now I have these little mini pizza bites that I can dip in like a keto ranch. It's awesome. It's an awesome meal. It's an awesome snack. This is specifically for when I want to do multiple. But traditionally, most people would use this for waffles, go figure. So if you have kids and you're making these little mini waffles, and maybe you have multiple kids or you want to make multiple waffles, here's how you can do 6 of them at a time, which is really awesome. So it also comes with a little brush. I'm not sure if this is for putting oil on there or for getting out the little pieces that stick in there, but comes with it if you need it. I never use it. I just spray it, use it, and then wipe it all down and clean it when I'm done. But this thing so far has been great. No on-off switches. You just plug it in and you tell if it's red or green, whether or not it's heated up and ready to go. Super simple. So far it works for me, and I would definitely recommend it.